for the... And then this is... Oh wow, it's super light. I expected it to be a lot. Hi guys, it is much later and I think it's been months. I don't know when the last time... I don't know the last time I filmed. What? I don't know when...
Stop it. Get some help.
I don't actually know when I filmed last, so this is many weeks later. Right now though, I am working on a personal project, the simplicity one. So it's gonna be this. I'm doing the A. I just really like how it looks. It's so cute. Like a 1960s vintage and I love it so much. I'm gonna try to do like black buttons just for the sample. I might do covered buttons for the final product, but hopefully I can in the next couple days like try to finish it as much as I can. So this is what I'm currently working on. I cut all of my pieces already, so I have these. I have to cut interfacing for these two. And also, I am gonna do an unboxing later because I bought a half-scale dress from which I'm really excited. It arrived like a couple days ago, but I haven't opened it yet, so I can do the unboxing on camera. So this is the package. Oof. So I ordered a half-scale dress form and then a full-size arm and then the half-size arm. Ooh, they're so cute. Look at that. So I got this from this store called Yang. So I have that and it comes in this. Okay. Open. Paper. And another box. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, so we have the plate, and this is from another seller. So this is Lavendiform. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Lavendiform. So that's just like a black steel plate, and it has their logo, and it's super cute because it's a butterfly. And then this is, oh wow, it's super light. I expected it to be a lot heavier. It comes with this pouch, which is very thick and nice quality actually. And it also comes with the stand, of course. Oh wow, okay. Oh, whoa. So this is what it looks like. It's super cute. Wow. Definitely a lot lighter than I expected. I thought it would be the same made as the one that I have, like the dress form that I have. Okay, now that I'm looking at it and observing, I do notice that they use like a really not so great waist tape. I don't know if this is like a cutesy factor or what, but I kind of don't like it. We're gonna assemble it. Okay. Not sure if that's supposed to be there, but I think it's like this. Okay. And then you put this on, but it looks like it's very well made. Okay. In here. Putting... does not fit. Maybe you twist it? No! Wow, it really is like too small. I am so sad. Okay. It is official. The hole is too small. Let's put you there for now. I'm gonna open this. check. Oh, they're so cute! Okay, at least these ones look promising. Look at that! Oh, wow! I like these ones. Do that. Wow! Cute! Look at that! I just wish this was big enough so it can fit in this, but it's not. Okay, I gotta do something about that. I might contact the supplier. Maybe they'll send me a new one. I'm not sure. But oh, so these are two. Okay, so this is really, really cute. So I'm very, very excited to use this. Let's see this one now. I don't know if this is just one or maybe two. Oh, they are. Oh. Right now we're gonna try the full-size dress form on my mannequin. I like it. I like it very much. What do you guys think? What do you think of this beauty? Do you think it's too thick? I don't know. It might look like a little bit thick, but I like it. So that's our arms, and I don't know what to do with our our form right here. I don't know what to do. Okay, I'm gonna message the seller and I'm gonna try to see if they can send me like a better one. Good morning, it is the next day and I've been working on sewing the sample for the dress that I was talking about in the last video, but this is her and hopefully I can finish it by today. Okay, so let me give you a quick close-up right now. So this is where I'm at with this one. Okay, let me focus you. I put the collar and then this is the a skirt, the midriff, the top. I'm still missing the entire back actually. Well, not the entire back, like the skirt back right there, and I still have to put this facing, and I'm supposed to, I think, cut this so it can like fall into somewhere around here, but this is how it's looking like. I love it. I love how it's looking. I love muslin samples, as you all know already probably, but yeah, I'm very excited on how it's gonna fit on me and how it's gonna look like overall. So yeah, let's finish this baby up. It's actually the next day and I am finished with the sample and I love it. I tried it on earlier and it's perfect. I just need to find a really good fabric for it at the fabric store later on. So I'm gonna drop by the fabric store to see what they have over there, and I'm shooting for a, I don't know, because I think I saw like a taffeta fabric, like a champagne beigey fabric that's very light to medium weight. This muslin is a little bit thicker than what I actually wanted, so we might go a little bit thinner on the fabric. But it looks great so far. The length is perfect. I'm gonna give you like a close-up a little later. But everything looks really good. And I was debating on whether I wanted like this length for the sleeves or this length, because these are two different sleeves. This is, I think, I want to say like maybe a half an inch to an inch shorter than this one, and I decided to go with this one because it just looks more like it fits the overall look fits this sleeve a lot better. So I'm gonna have to add a little bit of hem on the bottom right here, and the length is really good. And I just love how it looks, and I'm so glad that I actually picked this one, this pattern. Okay, so this is the dress, and up to there, to here, and I'm gonna back away for a little bit, and it looks so good.